no face.
Voice of the voiceless. Voice of the voiceless.
They can be that as eradicate just free VDM. No interview. Eradicate will not be in Nigeria. Free VDM. Free VDM. Eradicate will not be democracy. Hold him and take him away. Is that democracy? My military regime. That's very wrong. How can you kidnap a citizen on a broad daylight? What did I invite Yabelo? I want to kidnap with VeryDarkMan. My brother, you are unfulfilling about innovation. That's what I'm telling you. Than any of these governments. It's more important to Nigerians. We know VeryDarkMan also. VeryDarkMan is a very good man. VeryDarkMan is VeryDarkMan to be released. VeryDarkMan also. We want VeryDarkMan to be released. Yes. It's not too much to ask on the government. Sheyi Tinubu. Talk to your father, please. We need VeryDarkMan out. At least.
Voice of the voiceless. Voice of the voiceless. Voice of the voiceless. Now our voice will do so. We not get another voice. Now our voice will do so.
Leave VeryDarkMan.
Now our voice will do so. We not get another voice. Now our voice will do so.
Carry Yabelo. Leave VeryDarkMan for us. He's not a criminal. He's not a criminal. He's not a criminal. When does he face the start? No trust. Freedom is a crime. Our papa be this, so we no get another one. Our papa be this, so. Take Yayabelo. VDM is our voice of the youth. Just 2 seconds. Plenty talk, no the full basket. You understand? People always aim at a fruitful tree. We need justice. Please, free VDM. Thank you. So may they continue the top, may they release that man for us. We don't like him. If not, we will pack our machine. All the dispatch riders, all of us go block Abuja. I go involve all the riders, all of us. We go block Abuja. May they release that man for us, I beg. I beg, may they release him. May they release that man for us. Thank Talk now, I don't protest.
To issue any statement, not even the for unconditional release of VDM. Not even
the EFCC kidnapped VeryDarkMan in collaboration with the Tarantino's Trust Bank. EFCC now don't kidnap us, so I don't kidnap VeryDarkMan. EFCC chairman, carry Yaya Bello and give us VDM. Carry Yaya Bello and give us VDM. Yaya Bello na thief. VDM not thief anybody money. Oh.
Criminalize you and jail you. Of course, it's not my news that the judiciary has been captured by this government. This government. Today, EFCC are proving beyond reasonable doubt that they are now arms of APC against the youth of Nigeria. Police have done that already. It's an established fact that people will be threatening Nigerians. I've been telling them that if they do anything, that they will kill them and nothing will happen.
Federal government give me VDM. Nigerian government give me VDM. Give me VDM. EFCC give me VDM. Give me VDM. I don't get another brother. I don't get another brother. Mother give me VDM. Mother give me VDM. I don't get another brother. Mother give me VDM. Give me VDM. Give me VDM. Give me VDM. I don't get another brother.
Say no to the demand.
Speak to me. What your demands? Why do you want VDM to be free? What and who is VDM to you that you're clamoring for his freedom at this moment? Sorry.
The man is the voice to the voiceless.
He's the voice of the voiceless. He's speaking for the masses. He's doing what every other youth is not doing. So we want him to be free, so that you keep on speaking for us. Thank you.
We want prison to be free because we need justice. Victim is a criminal. He's a fraudster. He's an activist. He's supposed to be voiceless. Why would they arrest him? For what reason? The EFCC tell us the reason why he was arrested. What charge is leveled against him? We need justice. As well as then, we need justice. It's time for us to stand for our rights and fight for ourselves. Victim will be free today. If we're going to fight them, they will hear from me.